Hello everyone, how are you? I think you are good with your health condition. Okay, now I'll show my projects. I created a project for the submitting to the LICT. This project I named it My Calculator app. That means it's obviously a scientific calculator. So I created several apps like that, recycle, view, and several I used in my personal phone, but for this video purpose um, I am using these Nox for creating this video. Okay, let us go to my project, to the Android Studio. This is my Java code for my calculator. There are several codes. So every time we should take enjoy. We should find enjoy in coding or like that. Some humors when I don't find my enjoy, it will be very bad thing. No, sorry to say like that. These are the button I use them private text view, like text and edit text, private. These are something double number I created. At first I create the XML file. Where is the XML file? This is the XML file. This XML file, at first I create them, these buttons, then I map to here like that. I map there. Then for every button I use the on-click listener like this. This course obviously you should be able to understand. Click fixed button 0 for the every button, because I used a button for this purpose. It should be 0. No, okay. And I use a equal button. If equal button is equal true, then it should be newly created some calculation. Like if I go to my app, create it, 4 plus 5, it should show 9. Yeah, 9. If I click 7, that means it should recounting, and it should get the new window, like window is not window platform. So when I at first now I am creating another operation. Yeah, now I'm clicking the equal button. Now this equal button is true. If it is true, if I click a new button, new number like 2, if it's true, then all the things clear. For this person I use this code, and now I newly created them like that. If the equal button is not true, like that means this will work. That means what I want saying, the 2, I don't click here, then it's false. So it will concat with 4. If I click 4, that's 24. Now I want to divide with 8. It should obviously be shown 3. Oh, I'm sorry, 3. Now again the equal button is true. So if I click sine 90 degree, it will show 1. This is a good thing. Yeah, isn't it? Obviously. Okay, now I'll go to this my code. This is the code. For this purpose, every button should be like that. Every button should be like that. Now different thing is why the different thing is the different can a vast number of code. Oh my god. Yeah. Dot point. For this dot point I used this number of code. For what is the reason of sign counting? What is the reason of length plus length counting and I plus plus? That means what should we cut? Clean it. Now if I press that dot, that means it obviously follows a 0. 3 is equal to, yes, sorry. Now if I plus with 7, it should be 7.33. Yeah, we got that, our expected result. Wow, very good. Let it be. Now go to the power button, 3 to the power 3, that means 27. Yeah, it's working. For square root is if I square root, click just square root of 27. This is, if I click 9 and square root of 9 is 3, that is 9 3 into 3 is equal to 9. This is the purpose. Now look at the cut here, dot. Oh, what is the purpose of dot? I should show now 8.8. If I click, if idiot click again dot, what should it be shown? For this idiot, this code should be like that. That means if user want to several times click that, what should be the string? It should be method. So 5 plus 9 is equal to that. Okay, go. For this dot point, we are creating. We use this type of code. Yeah. Let it be. There we go. These are the add button, sub button. That's like a button. A fixed add. What is the fixed add? Fixed add means we are counting a number several times. Same number we are wanting to add and we are trying to find out the result. Like in a bank, the banker do obviously, and several times they need it. So in scientific, there are functionalities, and it's hard. I think now I open that like that. If I go to my calculator, oh, I should, yeah, 8 plus 9 is equal to what? If I control it like we should get the result like that. Obviously, it's maintaining the rule of my code. Okay, now what is the fixed add button? 8. Now this is the 8, and the banker is wanting to count 8 or a great number. I want to just show for the showing it's a little thing. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. That means fixed add 16. 8 plus 8 plus 8, that means 24. It's just adding 24. Okay, and this is the purpose of this fixed add button. There are two advantages of this calculator, two advantage button, fixed add and 2 to the power something. And many other calculator are in place that missing 2 button, but the functionality of 2 buttons are there, but it is not opened. No, but I created it opened for the idiots. Now we will go to here. This is my another thing, and we want to show. Now I will show the method where I create the string calculation. I named it. I created a method, named it eval, and its return type is double. At the time it will return the double number. Yeah, and from this it is called here eval, and text string from here this eval function is called is being called. So when it's returning double number, I am splitting this if there is a contain dot, so it should be if it is a 3 point dot. No use showing for 3 dot 3.0. It's no need to show, just it will show 0. For this purpose I used this code, and I said it first why I used try class. Okay, so go to the language design, and now I will show the manifest. I named it as what is the name and application name and something else, what is the theme I used. And now I'll go to the Gradle app. Now what is the minimum SDK target, and it's 19, and what is the target app is 27. Now we are showing here Bangladeshi flag, American flag, and Indian flag. That means I used this calculator 3 languages: Bengali, English, and Hindi. But in notes there are missing. I'm sorry to say, there is missing. There is no change of language. I did not find the Bengali language. But is there any Hindi? I don't know. Let it be. What should be the interface of that? Yeah. Go there. Oh, sorry, it's not same. That means this is not a Hindi language. Wow, is it? Huh. Yeah, yeah. I am finding like a blind Indian, Australian. We use the medical related study English. Now we got. So we don't get Bengali. So we should use that. If we want to see, we should nothing to say for that. I use these three string, just color something. Yeah, XML manifest, XML for the landscape, and I used for two rotate mode. I used for the saving data. I used a function here. This is on restore interface state. For this we are getting the result like that. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. If I rotate this result should be 17 and this string should be like that. So this is my app for LICT project. I am very proud of LICT. I learned several things, and I will continue in the Android app development. I will be working in Android Studio, and I'll be go with Java. Okay, thank you. PG coding.